तद्भक्ताय नमो नमः। नमो महावदन्नाय कृष्ण प्रेम प्रदायते कृष्णाय कृष्ण चैतन्य नाम्ने गौरतिसे नमः। हे कृष्ण करुणा सिंधु दीनबंधु जगतपते गोपीश गोपिका कांत राधा कांत नमोस्तुते। तप्त कांचन गौरांगी राधे वृंदावनेश्वरी वृषभानुसुते देवी प्रणमामि हरिप्रियम्। ॐ वृंदावै तुलसी देवै प्रिया वै केशवस्य च कृष्ण भक्ति प्रदे देवी सत्तवत्यै नमो नमः। भक्ता विहीना अपराधलक्ष्यै क्षिप्ताश्च कामादितरङ्गमध्ये कृपामयि त्वां शरणं प्रपन्न वृन्दे नमस्ते चरणारविन्दं भजामि राधां अरविन्दनेत्रां स्मरामि राधां मधुरस्मितास्यं वदामि राधां करुणाभराद्रा ततो ममान्नस्ते गतिर्न कापि। श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर श्रीवासादि श्री गौरभक्त वृंद। हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे। So first of all, I offer my humble respectful obeisances unto lotus feet of my Guru Pad Padma Nitya-lila Pravishtam Vishnupad Ashtutra Satasya Srimad Bhakti Vedanta Srila Vaman Goswami Maharaj and Nitya-lila Pravishtam Vishnupad Ashtutra Sadhvani Bhakti Vedanta Srila Narayan Goswami Maharaj. And simultaneously, I offer my humble, respectful Dandavat Pranam. Lotus feet of Nitya-lila Pravishtam Vishnupad Ashtutra Satasya Srimad Bhakti Vedanta Srila Swami Maharaj, Srila Bhakti Vigyan Bharati Goswami Maharaj, and all senior devotees and all Vaishnavis and presented all of my respectful guests. So, very nicely, we also celebrate the Jagannath Rathayatra Maha Mahotsav, yeah, and especially according to the mood of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, the Jagannath, and he is going to Jagannath temple to Gundicha temple, that is called Nilachal to Sundarachal. But according to the mood of sweetness, mood of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, actually Jagannath, he is going to Kurukshetra to Vrindavan. And he also discussed so many things, how Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu absorbed in the sweetness mood, Madhurya Bhav. And especially Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he always absorbed in Radhika, Srimati Radhika. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu was thinking, I am Radha. Now I am meeting with my beloved Govinda. That is called Sudirgha Vipralambha. Then Krishna, he meets with Srimati Radhika and the gopis. That means Krishna performs sweet lila in Vrindavan and intoxicated the heart of all the Braj gopis, and especially he performed Ras dance and different Leela also in their swing Leela and water sporting Leela and water sporting in the Jamuna Jal Vihar Leela and etc. Then Krishna then he also left Vrindavan to Mathura on the chariot of Akrura. And then Brajagopis they also felt pang of separation from Krishna. That thing also Sukdev Goswami Pad very nicely and elaborately explained in Srimad Bhagavatam. And Ujjwal Muni Srila Vishwanath Ujjwal Muni Srila Bhakti Rupa Goswami Pad in the commentary of Ujjwal Muni Srila Vishwanath Chakravarti Pad and Jiv Goswami Pad very nicely explained. And Gopi especially Srimati Radhika three types of viraha that is called bhavi viraha, bhavan viraha, and bhavya viraha. So then Krishna came in Vrindavan to Mathura, and he also killed Kamsa, Chanur Mustik, Kubalai Husti, and etc. This way. Then Krishna he also released and Kamsa's father Ugrasen from the jail, and then he also met with in the jail his mother Devaki and Vasudev and released them from the bondage of the Kamsa. Okay. Then Jarasandha again and again attacked Mathurapuri and Krishna very easy. He killed all the armies of Jarasandha because Jarasandha he attacked Mathurapuri 17 times, but 18 times then he took all the Mathuravasi and arrived in Dwarka. Before he also built very nice beautiful palace that is called Dwarkapuri in the ocean. Then Krishna he was staying in Dwarkapuri and with all his family's member and he also married 16,108 queens. Then Krishna he also produced 10 sons into one womb of queens and also one daughter. In this way Krishna performed sweet Leela and household Leela in Dwarkapuri, that is called Grahastha Leela. And in this way Krishna performed sweet Leela in Dwarkapuri and also he killed many demons in there. And because Bhagavad Gita Krishna says Krishna, the Lord, he comes from his transcendental world in this material world to kill the demon and establish the Varnashram Dharma and protect the sadhu. Paritrana sadhunang vina sahaicha duskritam dharma samsthapanartha sambhavami juge juge. So in this way Krishna performed sweet Leela in Dwarkapuri. Then Krishna also came in Kurukshetra because that time was solar eclipse, Suryagrahan, and all sadhu, rishi, munis, they also arrived in Samanta Panchak in Kurukshetra. And that time all the Brajavasis, Nanda, Jasoda, and also Subal, Siddham, Radhika, Lalita, and all the gopis, they also arrived in Kurukshetra, and especially also Draupadi, Pandavas, and all they also arrived in Kurukshetra. Very nice, beautiful description about Kurukshetra Lila Katha in there. Then finally Gopis, they also met with Krishna. They asked to Krishna, "Hey Krishna, please come in Vrindavan." Then Krishna very humble told, "Yes, soon I will be in Vrindavan and I will perform, I will fulfill all your desires in Vrindavan." So many kathas we also discussed in Ratha Jatra, especially the mood of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu and Sukdev Goswami Pad told to Parikshit Maharaj, very nice, beautiful katha, Kurukshetra Prasanga. And, and that things also Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu manifested in his sweetness mood in Ratha Yatra festival. And so Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu expressed many bhav, sentiments, and, and dancing, singing, same thing, the Krishna, he is going Kurukshetra to Vrindavan. Saita Paranatha Painu Jahalagi Madone Dahane Gujurigan. Sarup Damodar again and again he recited this verse, and Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu completely intoxicated and dancing and singing. Then Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he also recited one verse of what is called Sahitya Darpan, Jo Kumar Hara, this slokas, the mundane marriage ladies' life history. You also heard this katha, Jo Kumar Hara, so Eva Baras. So this katha also you heard, and Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu explained these things. But Sarup, according to the sweetness mood of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, Rupa Goswami Pad, he composed in the same parallel slok and the mood of Braj Gopis, especially Srimati Radhika, Priyo Soayang Sahachari Kurukshetre Milita. That means Srimati Radhika, she met with Krishna in Kurukshetra. But Srimati Radhika, she told, "Hey Krishna, you are same Krishna, I am same Radha. Both we are meeting together in this place, but my mind is not overjoyed. I want to return back to Vrindavan." And Srimati Radhika also explained why she want to return back to Kurukshetra to Vrindavan. He also explained because Kurukshetra is full of opulence mood. And Krishna's mood that is called Kshatriya mood or Vrindavan, the mood of sweetness mood. And Krishna also holds peacock feather on his turban and he holds the fruit. And so, but here in Kurukshetra, completely opposite for this regard. Srimati Radhika, she told, "I don't want to stay here. Please come in Vrindavan." And because Vrindavan, the origin house of Krishna, in this way, Gopis, they use many sweet words. Aner mon 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 Vrindavan mone mone এক করি জানি তাহাতে তোমার পদদ্বয় করাও যদি উদয় তবে তোমার পূর্ণ কৃপা মানি. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu also told others' mind is called so-called mind. But my mind is non different from Vrindavan. Hey Krishna, please manifest your lotus feet in Vrindavan. And because Vrindavan, your house, Vrindavan, your life and soul. So please come in Vrindavan. So in this way, and they also request to Krishna, please come in Vrindavan. Then Krishna told, and just I have some duty and responsibility in Dwaraka because I almost killed all the demons in there. Just one or two or four demons are there. Then when I will kill all the demon, then I will go Vrindavan. And just you go and almost you can think almost I arrived in Vrindavan. So Gopis, they are thinking Krishna is coming in Vrindavan, and in this mood, Gopis, they also pulled the rope of the chariot of Jagannath. They are thinking Krishna is going Kurukshetra to Vrindavan. And that time Gopis, they also use many sweet words and express their sentiments. why Krishna is staying in Dwarkapuri, and he had to come in Vrindavan. And he should not forget Mother Jasoda and Subal Sudam and Braj and Brajavasis, and especially the bank of Jabuna is very sweet. Kunjas are there, peacock, peahen, and cuckoo birds, how they are singing, very calm and quiet and lonely place of Vrindavan. Eh? So Gopis, they again and again remind to Krishna about the beautiful Vrindavan and Madhurya Vrindavan. And then Krishna told, I am coming soon. And but Gopis, they also this mood, and Gopis, they also pulled the roof of the chariot of Jagannath, and this is going on this way, and then Lord Jagannath, he takes rest in Gundicha temple 9 days, and then after 9 days, Krishna, Jagannath, he returned back Gundicha temple to Jagannath temple. But on the way, so many kathas also there. Sukdev Goswami Pad told to Parikshit Maharaj and Chaitanya Charitamrita. Krishnadas Kaviraj also explained how Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he gave mercy to King Prataprudra, and this katha Prataprudra Trata, this katha we also listen. Then after 5 days, then Lakshmi Devi, the consort of Jagannath, Lakshmi Devi, she proceed to search about Krishna. That is called Lakshmi Vijay by Hera Panchami. And after 5 days from Rathayatra, Lakshmi Devi, she is going to search where is Krishna. And Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, very absorbed in that the Leela. For this regard, and the devotee, they also perform sweet Leela and about Lakshmi Devi's Vijay, how Lakshmi Devi, she also proceed to Sundarachal, and that things also discussed with Sarup Damodar and also Srivas Thakur. We also discussed this katha, and very nice, beautiful, because this is called the drama of Lakshmi Vijay or Hera Panchami. And that time also Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu asked the Krishna, he has spontaneous love and affection with Vrindavan, but Lakshmi Devi, she has no qualification and stay in Vrindavan. So, but why Lakshmi Devi, she is very angry? And this katha we also discussed, and Sarup Damodar explained, this is spontaneous nature of the love. Then also we discuss about this is the Lakshmi is not a real man, because Lakshmi Devi, she decorate with many kinds of ornaments, sari, and also dancing, singing with her maid servant, and so Sir Chaitanya Mahaprabhu laughed and joked, and and also Chaitanya Mahaprabhu told, I never heard these types of man. And so in this way, Sarup Damodar very nicely glorified about the man of Braj Gopis in Vrindavan. And even the Manavas, the semblance of man in Dwarkapuri, that the Manavas also explain this. But Lakshmi Devi, this is not the man. Actually, Lakshmi Devi, she decorate with many kinds of ornaments. Why? Because Lakshmi Devi, she chastised to Krishna. Why is he staying in Vrindavan? And because Vrindavan completely is what? Empty place, and our Vaikuntha Dham or Dwarkapuri full of opulence. And in this way, she she is showing her opulence to the Brajvasis, and also chastise her husband Krishna why is he staying in Vrindavan. And in this way, Sarup Damodar and also Srivas Thakur, they discuss how is beautiful Vrindavan also. And but Srivas Thakur, his nature, and that is called Narad Rishi, and he glorified about Vaikuntha Dham, because Lakshmi Devi, she is the queen of Vaikuntha, and she has so many and maid servants, so many kinds of opulence. And but why Krishna is staying in Vrindavan and full of dusty place, and understand, and gopis, they are completely uncivil. eh, So in this way, discuss these things. Gopis, they also milking the cows and boiling the milk. But in Vaikuntha, Lakshmi Devi, she is called a Maharani, and she sits on a golden singhasan, and our Gopis, they also milking the cows, and heading the cow dungs, and so in this way, when talk this katha, then Sarva Damodar very nicely glorified about Vrindavan and Vaikuntha's Vrindavan, and Vaikuntha's opulence and the opulence of Vrindavan. So for this regard, Sarva Damodar, he reminds to Srivas Thakur, Srivas, how possible to forget the opulence of Vrindavan. चिंतामणि प्रकट सद्म सुकल्प वृक्ष लक्षावृति सुरभि रूपी पालयन्तम लक्ष्मी शत सहस्र संभ्रम सेव्यमानम गोविंदम आदि पुरुषम तमहं भजामि. And Brahma Samhita very nicely glorifies how is beautiful Vrindavan. But Vrindavan full of opulence, but that opulence covered with the sweetness, madhurya. And this thing also Sarva Damodar very nicely explained, and the all the opulence of Vrindavan you collect and put one side, and another side put just one dust of Vrindavan, even not and equal to each other. So what kinds of the opulence of Vrindavan? Their trees are called that they are kalpa vriksha. Actually, their trees are look like ordinary trees, but their trees are called whistling trees and fillful of them. And katha ganam nattang gavanam opi, and when the Brajavasi they speak to each others, how the sweet rhythm coming and tune coming when they walk on the path of Vrindavan, very nice, beautiful dancing pose they did. And Sarup Damodar, he very nicely glorified about Vrindavan. And gopis, they are not ordinary human beings. Actually, they are called the eternal associate of Krishna, and they manifested Krishna, Sarup Shakti Srimati Radhika. These things also very nicely explain our Vrindavan and residents Vrindavan. So in this way, Sarup Damodar, he discussed about Vrindavan Katha, even Brahma, Shiva, Narad, all the high class exalted and Vaishnavas, they are always hankering how they will receive one dust of Vrindavan on their head. Even Uddhav came in Vrindavan, when Uddhav he saw the mood of the Brajavasis, and that time Uddhav he became very surprised. And especially when Uddhav saw Srimati Radhika's Dibba Unmadasa transcendental madness, then Uddhav he became very surprised, and he also explained Mahishi Ropi Suduskaram, the queens of Dwaraka, those who are always meeting with Krishna, but these times of mood never manifest in the heart of queens of Dwarka. Our Braj Gopis, there's spontaneous in there. That is called Sinhoman, Pranay Rag, Anurag, Bhav, Mahabhav, Rura, Udhirura, and Madanakha Mahabhav. And so Uddhav again and again bow down his forehead and paid his obeisances, lotus feet of Srimati Radhika. And 6 slokas Uddhav, he glorified and won the foot trust of Vrindavan, how is part. And so Uddhav, he recited many verses, especially 6 verses. Uddhav, and he praised the lotus feet of Srimati Radhika and Asamo Charnarenu, Jusam Ansam, Vrindavane Kimupi Gulmo Lotosi Dhanam, Jaduscha Jasajana Arja Katham Chehitva, Bhejur Mukunda Padavi Srutivi Vibhikam. All the Ved, Puran, Upanishad, they manifested in their form and perform hard stages in Vrindavan. How to enter in the sweet mood of and different Radha and Krishna and start to them, especially how they entered in the Rasa. But Lakshmi Devi, she also and perform hard austerities in Vrindavan, but she could not enter in Vrindavan in the Ras dance of and Krishna. So in this way, so many conversation is going on, and Uddhav, Brahma, Shiva, Narada, all they are hankering just one foot dust of Srimati Radhika. And Vrindavan Dhuli Kana, and the dust of Vrindavan, how is it powerful. And opulence also there. But that opulence completely covered with sweetness, madhurya. And so in this way, Sarup Damodar very nicely glorified these things and also discussed about and Lakshmi Devi. This is not the man, that is called anger, krodha, and she is showing her proud, arrogant, and how she is very opulent, and so and Sarvadamada he told actually this is not the man, this is called anger, krodha. And then Sarvadamada also explained the Manavas, the semblance of man in Dwarakapuri, and that is called in the with this man in the heart of Satyabhama. But that is not also pure man. That is called Manavas. Our perfect man in Vrindavan, in the heart of the Brajagopis, or among the Brajagopis, Srimati Radhika's man is called topmost. We also discuss these things, and Prabhupada Saraswati Pad in his unprecedented book was very nicely glorified about the man of Srimati Radhika. Jat Kinkrisu Bhuso Khuluka Kuvani Nitam Parasa Purusa Sikhanda Muli Jassa Kadar Sanidhi Visavhanu Jaya Tat Kilikunji Bhavanangano Marjanisha. And Srila Prabhupada Saraswati Pad, very humble, isn't it? If would I become the broomstick of Nidhuvan, and where the gopis Brajavasi, they are blooming in that place, and then my life will be successful. And because in that place when Srimati Radhika performed her man, then Pratpa Krishna, with the supreme personality of Godhead, and fold his hands, bow down his forehead on the lotus feet of Srimati Radhika. And how Krishna pacified the man of Srimati Radhika. So many kathas explained in our Goswamis in their Grantha, and especially Rupa Goswami Pad, and explained in his unprecedented book, that is Ujjal Lilmani Grantha also in there. And so the Jat King Krishi Bhuso Khaluka Kubani Nitam Parsa Purusa Sikanda Muli Jassa Kadar Sanidhi Visavhanu Jaya Tatkali Kunji Bhavanangara Marjani Sam. So these types of katha also explained, and though Krishna is Pratpar Pratatta Sang Bhagavan, and Krishna also performs this lila as like an human being. And so this katha also we heard in good what lila? That is called Lakshmi Vijay Lila, or that is called Hera Panchami Katha, also this thing. And then after 8 days, then Jagannath, again he returned back Gundicha temple to Jagannath temple. And after 8 days, 9 days he is going. So now coming in this way, very nice, beautiful Leela. And Chaitanya Charitamrita, Krishnadas Kaviraj explained this same way that and Leela is called Bauri Rath Leela. That means Rath, Jagannath Rath again return back to Gundicha temple to Jagannath temple. But Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's mood in the same. Sai Mata Prabhu Koila Leela. In previous Lord Chaitanya performed same Leela. Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu absorbed in same Leela. And that means Krishna is going to Vrindavan and Vrindavan. Generally people they are thinking, oh, this will not stay here longer. And then after 2-3 days, Rathayatra they return back. But Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami Chaitanya Charitamrita explain. Actual Jagannath, again he returned back to Jagannath temple and Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's mood, that is called same Vrindavan mood. So this katha is very nice, beautiful. Jagannath Lila Katha and so many Tattva, Siddhanta, Bhajan, these things in Ratha Yatra. First you try to understand our heart is, our mind is as like chariot, Manorupi Ratha, and our heart is as like Singhasan, throne of Krishna, where Krishna will sit. And and Lord will sit on our Hriday Singhasan. And so our heart should be neat and clean and free from all kinds of anarthas. No any smell of anartha. Otherwise Krishna will not sit in our Hriday Singhasan. And also we also discussed the rope which pulled the chariot of Lord Jagannath. Here the rope that is called Prema Rassi. Prema Rassi. That means Jagannath chariot is pulled with Prema Rassi. Prema means love, Rassi means rope. And so in this way, so many significance and Lila Tatparja and in Jagannath Lila in this way. And Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu so much absorbed in ecstatic mood, these things also. And then when Lord Jagannath, after 9 days, he returned back to Nilachal, what is it called? Jagannath temple, Nilachal. Then Jagannath, and he is very tired. Now he is taking a rest. That is called Sayan Ekadasi. 2 days before, we also observed Sayan Ekadasi, our Lord, he takes rest. So 4 months, but this time also 5 months. And Purushottam month is coming. So for this regard, now we have to observe this Chaturmasya Vrat. How many months? 5 months. Because Purushottam month will be start. Understand? For this regard, this year so hard austerities also, and how to observe Purushottam, what is called, and Chaturmasya, and also include Purushottam Mas. Generally 4 months finish, but sometimes also 1 month, and what is called Purushottam, Purushottam Mas. But this time and Purushottam Mas and Chaturmas mixed together. And so we have to perform hard austerities, follow many rules of regulation of Chaturmasra. And first month you should not eat leaves, especially spinach and cabbage, and also and different also, and what is called eggplants. eh, 4 months, uh, 4 months you cannot eat, and 4 months, 6 months, for 5 months now. And also kya Loki, and also what kya, and beans. All you can eat, very nice. eh, and can eat also potato is very nice. No restriction, and whole life, whole month, every day you can take potato. No problem. So first month you should not eat one thing, and palong sak, and spinach and cabbage, और क्या क्या लिखा है? And second month you should not take what is called jogat. Third month Asin you should not take the क्या क्या लेना नहीं है? Milk. So, so you can see that they also posted in our purebhakti.com what you will eat, what not will eat, and which months, and how to observe the Chaturmasra, everything is done. But main thing is that in this month of Chaturmasra, you have to take vow, and every day you have to fix round chant holy names, Sankha Purvaka Naam, as like our Goswami, they perform bhajan and sadhana in Vrindavan. Sankha Purvaka Naam Gana Nativi, Kala Vasan Krito Nidra Ahar Vihar Vichitra Chattam Chat. Radha Krishna Gunasmiti Madhurima Anandena Sanmohito Bande Rupa Sanatano Raghujugo Srijiva Gopalako. And Chaturmasra you have to follow these rules, and simultaneously you have to absorb Krishna consciousness, remember into Krishna, do bhajan and sadhan, and many things in there. And Chaturmasra Vrat, and these things also. And then after Kartik, and I don't know, this year they will be arrange Kartik Bhajamandala Parikrama or not. I am not sure. Maybe later they will be discuss and broadcast how they will be observed, and this Kartik Vrat and Parikrama will be, and I think there is maybe a small program will be there, because otherwise how possible? Because I think, I don't know, the government will be, what kinds of rules is there, and because government always again and again announce the people should not gather together, and so because the coronavirus so much also spread all over the world, people also afraid, and government also taking care, lockdown, these things. So this year, the actual 2020, this is very dangerous. So, you know, everything. But everybody have to do bhajan and sadhan, chant holy names, I remember to Krishna, do bhajan and sadhan. And little bit also scared from the coronavirus, otherwise very dangerous. So we'll see how is going on this way. Actual our another festival is very coming soon. That is called Rupa Goswami Pad, Jhulan Jatra. This is very important, but I don't know how it will be arranged, these things. Maybe online, all you can see. These things. All the Zoom, you can see how it is going on this way. Then you can see how it is going on this way. Purushottam Mas also has the same rules of Chaturmasha, and especially the same month of Kartik. Last month of Kartik, last month of Chaturmasha Kartik, we have to follow the same rules in there. So in this way, Rubhajan and Sadhan, and then day after tomorrow, also Purnima, Chaturmas actual hour in our Gaudiya Vedanta Samiti, and in Purnima we also start 4 months. So how to observe these things, and we also glorify about Vyasa Puja, that is called Guru Purnima, and this actual very important Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu manifested this Leela, that is called Vyasa Puja Leela in the house of Srivas Thakur, and also Nityananda Prabhu, how manifested, who is Vyas, and Vyaso Narayana Swayam, and Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, the Supreme Personality of Godhead. Maybe tomorrow we'll discuss about Vyasa Puja Maha Mahotsav Katha, and also Sanatana Goswami Pad, and disappearance day, and this is very important. In Brajvasis, they also call, this is called Mura Purnima. Mura means they saved their head, remembering, and Sanatana Goswami Pad, then they also perform Brajamant, what is called Giriraj Govardhan Parikrama. This tradition is going on this way, but this year Brajmal Govardhan Parikrama government will be allowed or not, I don't know. And I think not many people will come. Government will be very strict because coronavirus more and more increasing, and some places for this regard government also very strict. And so anyhow, we will see how it will go on. And so, but we have to do bhajan and sadhan, chanting holy names, and all you do Giriraj Govardhan Parikrama with your mind. And remembering pastimes of Krishna, Chaitanya, Mahaprabhu, Nityananda, Advaita Acharya, and all our Guru Vargas in this way. Gur Premanande. Thank you for kindness, and I take too much of time. Maybe tomorrow we'll give class and about Sanat, Chaturmasha Katha, what is called? Guru Purnima Katha, and the disappearance of Sanatana Goswami Pad. And I think, and so I will see. So how to discuss about this Katha. Gur Premanande.